Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Claudia here. Like I said in my last video, I hope you guys are having a great quarantine. Mine has been pretty good, to be honest. Like mentally, I've been pretty good. I've been having a lot of fun doing nothing, but today has been different and I am just so bored. Like, you don't get it. I've been doing so many things to keep myself entertained and nothing helps. I spent a little too much time on TikTok, not gonna lie. I ate a lot, did my makeup to see if that would help, and it definitely did, but that was a few hours ago and now I'm bored again. Oh yeah, I also took some Instagram pictures, which you should definitely go follow, just saying. So to feel better today, we're gonna sit back, grab a glass of wine or whatever type of drink you want to drink or snack or anything that you want to eat, and we're gonna play Would You Rather with BuzzFeed. But I do not want to get demonetized, so you guys are never gonna see me drink this, sorry. So I just went on the BuzzFeed website and I found this 17 would you rather questions that will break your brain in a million little pieces. That was a little too dramatic, but that's what we're gonna play. Alright, would you rather only be able to wear wet socks for the rest of your life or not wash your hair for a year? I feel like wet socks is one of everyone's biggest pet peeves, so this one's pretty clear. I'm gonna say not wash your hair for a whole year. Oh my god, that would be so disgusting. I feel like it would smell like literally trash. I'm not saying I smell like trash, I'm saying it would if you didn't wash your hair for a whole year. And listen, I live in Canada. It gets to like minus 40 over here. I'm not gonna be wearing wet socks when it's like minus 40, so it makes sense, you know? I really hope you guys are playing with me and you're writing down your answers down in the comments. I just really want to know your answers, and I feel like it wouldn't be a game if we're not playing together. Would you rather always be sticky for the rest of your life or always be itchy for the rest of your life? Definitely sticky. Why would you want to be itchy? That would just drive you absolutely insane. Like, being sticky would be annoying because you're getting everything stuck to... Wait, are you getting everything stuck to yourself, or you're just like sticky like a little bit? Because that would change things. But no, either way, I would rather be sticky than freaking itchy. That would be... No, that's not even a question. Okay, next one. Would you rather speak any language fluently, okay, or have the ability to talk to animals? Ooh, talk to humans or animals? I would say animals just because I want to talk to my puppy, first of all. But also because, I don't know, I feel like we have technology now. If I want to talk to someone that doesn't speak the same language as I do, I can just use Google Translate. I don't know. Yeah, I would much rather speak to a freaking elephant than another human being. Just kidding. It would be like being freaking, what's his name? Dr. Dolittle? Is that it? Yes, yes. Like, what? That's the dream. Okay, would you rather be 4'5" or be 7'7"? I'm gonna say 4'5", but there's obviously nothing wrong with being super tall or super short. Like, doesn't matter. But I feel like I would rather be shorter just because that's so cute. Here's my puppy. See, like, you wouldn't want to talk to this guy. Oh my gosh. Answering your other question. He's the cutest little doggy. Okay, next question. Would you rather not be able to read but have the power to read minds, or just be able to read? I feel like you would get a lot more information from books than just gossiping and reading people's minds. So I'm gonna pick be able to read, because I feel like the other one would just be way too stressful anyways, you know? Like can you always hear what people are thinking, or just whenever you want to? I don't know, but either way, I'm gonna stick with my answer. Alright, so next one is, would you rather sweat thick mayo or have to poop a regulation size softball? I'm gonna say sweat thick mayo just because the other one sounds big and painful, even though I don't like mayo, so that's kind of gross. Oh my god, I just saw this button that says view results. What the heck does that mean? I didn't know you could see everyone's votes. What the heck? Okay, so now we have to check all of them, or the ones we have done so far. Most people would rather poop a regular size softball. What's wrong with people? Ew. Most people want to be able to just read, so thank you, I knew it. Would people rather be short or tall? Not gonna lie, this is probably women, that's why it's mainly short people. I really don't think a guy would voluntarily go for 4'5", but I don't know, I might be wrong, who knows. Most people would rather speak any language fluently. What about animals? What? That doesn't make sense to me. This other one, people would rather be sticky. I knew it, I knew it. Let's see this other one. See, most people would rather not wash their hair for a whole year, so. Okay, let's just keep going. Okay, would you rather have fingers as long as your legs or have legs as long as your fingers? You'd be a freaking octopus if you had your fingers as long as your legs. Because you could use them to walk, right? So you would be like a spider or an octopus, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna say have fingers as long as your legs. What are people saying? They're saying the same thing. Okay, would you rather eat chocolate flavored poop or eat poop flavored chocolate? Like, who knows what poop tastes like? Why would you want to eat a chocolate that tastes like poop? What? Most people want to eat poop flavored chocolate? You guys are not thinking through. Alright, so the next one is, would you rather go through life with a perpetual cold sore in your mouth or always have a booger hanging from your nose? Okay, so they're both pretty natural and things that could happen. But I think I would prefer to have the cold sore. Just because whenever you have a cold sore, there's nothing you can really do about it. But the booger, I don't know. That's just, no. Unless they're talking about current times when we have to wear masks. In that case, it wouldn't matter. But let's just see what people would prefer to have. See? I knew it. 60% would rather go through life with a perpetual cold sore in their mouth. I knew it. Just makes sense. Again, it makes sense. Okay, so this one's kind of appropriate, so I'm gonna blur it out and not really say it. But the question is, would you rather give up something sexual or give up sweet, delicious cheese? If you guys watched my last video, you already know what my answer is. And I'm gonna say the first one. Most people would prefer to do the same thing. See? I told you in the last video, there's nothing better than cheese. Okay, maybe a couple things, but still. Okay, next one. Would you rather have sex with a goat and no one finds out, or not have sex with a goat but everyone thinks you did? Don't have sex with a goat. Please do not mess with animals. What the heck? No, definitely I'd rather people think that I did than actually do it. Okay, no, yes, no, that's my answer. Let's see what people think. Okay, thank God. Everyone thinks the same thing. Okay, good. I mean, not everyone. 61%. Only 61%. I feel like that number should be higher for some reason, you know? Okay, would you rather always feel like you have to sneeze but not be able to, or have the hiccups for the rest of your life? Oh my god, I really get the hiccups pretty frequently and they're so freaking annoying. But sneezing kind of hurts, you know? Like when it's like right here, it just freaking hurts. So I'm gonna say, I don't know, they both hurt. I mean, I don't want to be like Meredith Grey's dad's second wife. If you didn't get that reference from Grey's Anatomy, that's okay. All I'm saying is that that woman died from the hiccups. She got the hiccups and she just died from it. So, no thank you. I'm gonna stick with the sneezes. Even though, oh my god, that'd be so painful. No, sneezes for sure. Huh? Most people are saying the same thing. See? Nice. Alright, so would you rather pee yourself every time someone says your name, or poop your pants every time you say someone else's name? I feel like you can get away with not saying other people's names. And you'd be like, hey, you, what's up, man? Hey, dude. And all of that, and not say their name. So I'm gonna say poop your pants every time you say someone else's name. Also because I feel like pee would be more visible than poop, you know? Or like poop would just take longer to show up on your pants. I don't know why I'm getting into it. Now let's see what most people think. And pee yourself every time someone says your name? That's awful. Why would you want that? Alright, so next question. Would you rather have vaginas for ears or have an ear for a vagina? Or pee-pee? I have so many questions about this and we don't have time for this, so I'm gonna say have an ear for vagina or pee-pee. Mainly because you can cover it up with pants, right? But if not, you will always have to wear a hat or something. Right? Does that make sense? Right? Right? See, most people would rather have an ear for a vagina. or the male part of it. Alright, would you rather only be able to listen to the sound of a particularly angry hornet or reread all 56 pages of iTunes terms and conditions every day for the rest of your life? I don't even know what an angry hornet would sound like. Let's see on YouTube. Oh, so just like a bug. Okay, I'm gonna say reread all 56 pages of iTunes terms and conditions every day for the rest of your life, just because if you do it every single day, you're gonna get better at it, which means that you might be able to get it done within a minute by the time you're 10. See? Or maybe even faster, who knows? Okay, so that's my final answer. Let's see what most people would want. See? My answer makes sense. Alright, next one. Would you rather kick a wall as hard as you can with toothpicks in all of your toenails? Ew, what? Or would you rather tie a string around all your teeth, connect them to a door, and slam it? Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure if you have baby teeth, they wouldn't come out, but maybe they would. I don't know. Oh gosh, but the toothpicks under your toenails? I'm gonna say the teeth one and hope that they don't fall out, you know? See, most people said the same thing, so I guess my logic kind of makes sense. Okay, last one. Would you rather know how you're going to die or know when you're going to die? I was actually having this conversation with my boyfriend the other day, and he said he wouldn't want to know when it's gonna happen, but I said that I would, because it's about to get really sad. But I don't know, I feel like if you know when your last Christmas is gonna be and your last birthday and your last meeting with someone's gonna be, like, I don't know, you would be able to treasure them a lot more. So I'm gonna say that I would rather know when I'm going to die, just because if I know it's gonna happen on a certain day, like, it doesn't matter what I do that day, I know it's gonna happen that specific day. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? I don't know. This got really sad. Let's just let's just not think about it anymore. Oh my god, I forgot to check what people think. Okay, people would rather know how they're going to die. Interesting. What do you guys think? Please don't forget to let me know down below. I really want to know. But yeah, now we're done with the questions, and it is now 12 a.m. so it's a pretty good time to go to sleep. So thank you so much, guys, for keeping me company and playing this game with me. It was definitely a good pastime, so if you guys like this type of videos, let me know down below. Now I'm just gonna go take all of this off, wash my face, brush my teeth, and go to bed. I hope you guys had fun and you subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!